Morning students. In last two lecture we already done the revision of chapter compound, that one element compound and mixture. But in this chapter we have to do the revision of back exercise of chapter plant and animal tissues. First one we do the revision on the page number 12 in text question. In text question 1. In text question 1. Yes, student. In text question 1. First one, filling the blanks. Yes, the dash in the xylem conduct water. Which one conduct water? Xylem vessels. The answer is xylem vessels and trachea. Tracheas. These are two. The dash in xylem water, xylem vessel and trachea. Whereas the dash in phloem conduct food. Their second part, phloem, that is a sieve tubes. Sieve tubes. Now see the second one, student. The pith of the stem has dash shell. Parenchymatous. Parenchymatous. Parenchyma only. Third one. The dash is a dead tissue and found in a plant fiber. Sclerenchyma. That answer is a sclerenchyma only. So this one is the first in text question filling the blanks. Now come on the page number 17 in text question 2. In text question 2. Yes, this is also filling the blanks. The lining of the skin has a dash epithelium. Lining of skin, you know, squamose. That is a squamose epithelium. In second here, while the lining of gland has a cuboidal. That was a cuboidal epithelium, cuboidal. Acetylcholine is a dash neurotransmitter. That is a neurotransmitter. Neurotransmitter. Dash joins the muscles to bone. Tendons. Tendons joins the muscles to bone. This was the in text question 2 on the page number 17. Now come on the back exercise. Yes, student. Now come on the back exercise. Back exercise on the page number 18. Page number 18. Choose the most appropriate option. A part, first of all. Yes, first one. Second, then third, then fourth, then fifth, then sixth. First one we have to see. Tendons join bone to bone, muscle to bone, cartilage to bone, joint to bone. The answer is a muscle to bone. B answer. Answer is a muscles to bone. B answer only. Muscles to bone. Maximum flexibility is provided by collenchyma, sclerenchyma, parenchyma and cork. The answer is A only. Collenchyma. Answer is a collenchyma. First one is the muscles to bone. Second is that is a collenchyma. A part. Lignins lines the sclerenchymus tissue. Lignins joining the sclerenchyma tissue. B part only. The answer is a B part. Now come on the fourth one. Ciliated epithelium can be found in trachea. Ciliated epithelium founded in, that is a trachea. That was a which part of B? Four option is there. Skin, trachea, lining of stomach and belly. Ciliated epithelium in trachea and windpipe only. Now come on the fifth one. Cambium is found in Apical meristem, intercalary meristem, lateral meristem, and none of these. The answer is the C part only. Lateral meristem. That was the lateral meristem. C part only. Lateral meristem. Now come on. Blood is an organ, a tissue, a cell, or a system. Answer is only a tissue. Answer is only a tissue. B part only. A tissue. So this one is the choose the correct one. Now come on the filling the blanks. B part. Filling the blanks. Yes, first one. The gap between two neurons is called synapse. Or synaptic gap. Both name is there. Next, stomata are present in the dash layer, lower epidermis. Lower epidermis. Muscles that do not get fatigue easily are called cardiac muscle only in the heart. Cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscle. The lotus leaves would have a dash tissue to provide buoyancy. Parenchyma. Parenchyma. Parenchyma only. Parenchyma. Pits are seen in the dash tissue. Sclerenchyma. Or old vessels of xylem. Sixth, dash. The dash tissue has a lot of fat cell to provide insulation. Adipose tissue. Answer is the adipose tissue, student. So this one is the filling the blanks. Now come on, the next one is there. See, one word. I hope you understand this. Next one is one word. C part. Write one word of the following. Similar cell performing the similar function. Tissue. First one is a tissue. Second one, unit of nervous system, neuron only. Third one, muscles that do not get fatigue easily. Protective tissue of the animals, epithelial tissue. Answer is a epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue. Protective tissue for the animal, epithelial tissue. Tissue present at the tip of the shoot, apical meristem. Apical meristematic tissue. Apical meristematic tissue. Only. Fifth one. Muscles working on or will. That is the voluntary muscle only. Maybe striated, their second name straight the skeletal muscle. Matrix of the blood is plasma. So this one, matrix of the blood is the plasma. This one, student, is the C part. One word. Firstly we done the choose the correct one, then filling the blanks. This one the one word. Thank you, student.